Hurricane Laura had an incredible impact on the state, crashing into southwest Louisiana and then leaving incredible destruction in and around Lake Charles, up through central Louisiana and north Louisiana. The Blue Cross Foundation got together a couple days after the storm, and in addition to the grants we'd already started to make, said we need to do more. And so the foundation board set aside $5 million to be able to make grants in support of Hurricane Laura relief and recovery. Of that, we made two big grants. The first is a $1 million grant to the Community Foundation of Southwest Louisiana. The second is a $1 million grant to the United Way of Southwest Louisiana. Both of these are the organizations that when we talked to the mayor of Lake Charles and folks in the area, they indicated those were the groups that were raising the funds and were distributing those funds to people in need and getting resources to those on the ground. And so happy to be able to make those two very substantive grants and support those organizations. But we also know there are so many others doing important work across the state. And so what the board set up is an opportunity for grants for up to $250,000 to nonprofit organizations serving in the parishes that were most impacted as designated by FEMA and disaster declarations. And then grants of up to $50,000 all across the rest of the state. Recognizing that certainly we've had a very interesting year with COVID-19 in addition to hurricanes, these grants are available to do hurricane relief, to do COVID-related work, and the ways that those two pieces connect. Certainly we know that ongoing protection, cleaning, all of those things are very necessary, and so grants are available to support all of those efforts. If you know of a nonprofit doing important work to support people in this time of challenge, certainly encourage them to visit our website so they can find out more.